Hey, what's up, Mark? It's Devin from SEO Dallas, Texas. Thank you for speaking to me earlier today, and thank you for clicking on this video. I'm going to briefly show you how to improve your online presence to bring in more customers for free. If you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's super simple. There's a lot of business owners out there that just don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them, and I found that by making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, some business owners end up doing the stuff themselves and thriving, and some people end up calling me back and having me do it for them. So if at the end of this all you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve, I can do some good for your business, give me a call, we can chat. If you want to do this yourself, that's okay too. I'm going to briefly show you how to make yourself more of an authority, how to make yourself more trustworthy, and then get ranked in the local map pack rankings. Let's first start by looking at your business. So I couldn't find your website, but I did find this next door, and I really like this logo here. It's really unique. And I just like that it shows that you have longevity here. You know, it's got a picture of yourself. It's really good. Now, this is great if people know who your name is, like they know to look up Smith Maintenance, but if you really want to start getting a lot of business or you want to grow your business at all, you're going to have to be found for keywords. And keywords are phrases that people search into Google to find your business. So, I saw 940. I'm in Flower Mound myself. I figured you're in the Denton area. If I'm wrong and you're in Dallas, this works anywhere. But if you type in Handyman Denton TX, you want to have that on your website so Google knows to rank you for that. You also want to have more content than your competitors. So like if you see odds and end home repairs, these guys are ranking for Handyman and Denton. You can see these probably have like 500 words on this page. You're going to want to have yourself about like 1,000 to 1,500 to blow them out of the water. And then whatever your images are saved as does count as content. So they do have Handyman, but they should have that as like Handyman Denton TX or Handyman Dallas so they can rank for that keyword. So that's my first tip, and that's how you become an authority. After that, you need to be considered trustworthy, and Google judges you by how many other websites are linking to you. Keep in mind they want to see relevant websites linking to you though, so you're going to get a lot more power from other like remodeling companies or handyman companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check this out is called Ahrefs. Costs about $1,000 a month, but it gives you extremely valuable data on what's going on in the back end of the website, so it might be something you want to invest in. It says odds and end home repairs has 9 websites linking to them. This is what we call in the industry a very low-hanging fruit because it'd be so easy to beat them. And all you're going to have to do is probably get about 15 websites linking to you. I would just copy them and add some more on top. These are all the websites that are linking to them. You would just go to these different websites, click contact us, and get them to link back to you. But here's the big win. If you end up beating them in content and you beat them in backlinks, you start taking their spot in for these keywords. Handyman Denton TX has 100 people searching for that. Handyman Services has 10. These are all copying. So lawn care 100. I don't know if you do lawn care 100, but Handyman Services in Denton right alone, that has 100 people searching for it a month. So you could take that. You can also rank yourself for other keywords like plumber Denton plumber. 150 people search for that a month, right? So you can start adding these keywords in and putting more backlinks in your competitors, and you start getting all that volume looking at you, all right? Last thing is when somebody does type in Handyman Denton TX and they're ready to buy, they're going to call the first like handyman that shows up that seems trustworthy. You want to be that handyman. Those are the easiest customers to close. People skip these ads all the time. It could be from bad experiences or what have you. So the best place to rank yourself is Google My Business or local map pack section. Getting here requires having more citations than your competitors, which is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are in more directories or in different directories across the web, like Yelp, Yext, Facebook, Home Advisor, Angie's List. These are all different directories. Best strategy here is to figure out what directories these guys are listed in, put yourself in the same ones, but then a bunch more on top. So if 380 handymans in 150 directories, go put yourself in like 250, if not 300. That's all I've got for you, Mark. I hope you found this informative. As a really quick recap, you're going to want to make your website more than 1,500 words on it. You're going to want to have more backlinks than these guys. I would say go get about 15 to 20 websites pointing to you. And then you're going to want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than your competitors. Just make sure that it's spelled the same way across the internet so it's all relevant to each other. Mark, if you want to take this free information and apply it yourself, please do. This is completely free education. I'm here to try to help as many small business owners as I can. Just please send me back one sentence of feedback and let me know what you thought about this video, if you thought it was valuable or information or not. If you do want some help taking care of this stuff, you can always give us a call. Our phone number is right above my head here. It's 214-441-6737. Either way, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.